Hey sissies, how you been? I'm back. Today we are diving deep into the amazing world of 4C hair. So if you are as curious as we are about what makes this particular hair type so unique, you are in for a treat. Alright, let's get down to business. So what is 4C natural hair? You know what? My 11 years old niece asked me this question last time and I have to admit, I stole. Baby girl Samantha, I'm making this video for you. And I know you cannot be the only one who asks yourself this question every time I say these words, especially in my YouTube videos. So back to natural hair school, let's learn the community basics. What in the world is 4C hair? 4C hair is a hair type classification used primarily within the Black community to describe a specific texture and curl pattern of natural hair, particularly among people of African descent. So far, so good. It is part of the widely recognized hair typing system developed by an African-American hairstylist who goes by the name of Andre Walker. His hair typing system categorizes hair into 4 main types. Type 1 for straight hair, type 2 for wavy hair, type 3 for curly hair, and type 4 coily and kinky hair. So 4C hair is a subtype of type 4 hair in that specific hair typing system. Hold on. I can see some of you lot coming. It's good to know that there are different opinions about the hair typing system and the classification of 4C hair. Some people think that it makes things too simple and doesn't fully show how diverse hair textures can be. They believe that hair type alone doesn't determine all the care it needs. Facts. Remember, the hair typing system is just a way for us it's just a way to help us understand different hair textures and curls. It doesn't cover all the different kinds of natural hair. And in fact, everyone's unique experiences. Also, one person's hair can have different curl patterns and textures altogether, which can make it hard to put in just one category. Too much information, right? Let's slow down. In simple terms, 4C hair is all about those tight coils. We are talking about curls that are packed so closely together, they create this beautiful, dense crown of fabulousness. That cloud-ish, cotton-ish crown. Now, picture this. Each strand of 4C hair forms a tight spiral, almost like a zigzag pattern. And let me tell you this. Those coils might seem fragile and delicate, but they are actually very strong and can bounce back from anything. Brace yourself for some hair magic. One of the most mind-blowing things about 4C hair is its shrinkage power. When it's all wet and happy, your hair might look longer, but the moment it starts to dry, boom! Significant shrinkage. You know exactly what I mean. You know what I'm talking about. It's like a disappearing act right before your eyes. On a more serious note, even if 4C hair may seem shorter, it can actually have more length when stretched out. Hair shrinkage is like a magic trick that can make 4C hair appear shorter than it really is. Now let's talk about taking care of this gorgeousness. 4C hair can be a bit on the dry side, so moisture is your best friend. You gotta keep your hair hydrated and happy, okay? Get yourself some water-based moisturizers and natural oils to keep that mane of yours luscious and healthy. Oh, have we forgotten protective eye? They are a game changer for 4C hair. Think about braids, twists, or updos. These styles not only look fab, but they also shield your precious locks from all the tugging and pulling. Protective hairstyles also help 4C hair and retain moisture. Plus, they give you endless options to show off your style and keep things low maintenance. Do not forget about low manipulation styles though. It's all about balance, my dear. Now, let's talk products. When you're shopping around, look for those goodies that are specially formulated for 4C hair. We're talking about moisturizing shampoos, conditioners, and leave-in treatments that will leave your hair saying, Hallelujah! Thank you! The reason why I'm being overly dramatic about this is another feature of 4C hair, which is its tendency to be prone to dryness and potential breakage. It requires extra care to keep it moisturized and prevent it from becoming rigid, crispy, dry, brittle. Proper moisturizing, gentle handling, and protective styling techniques are important for maintaining the health and manageability of 4C hair. Lastly, let's celebrate the many amazing ways we can style and appreciate 4C hair, because it can do so many wonderful things and it does look beautiful, isn't it? We talk about a canvas that's just waiting for your creativity to shine. From big to fluffy afros to shrunken ones to defined twist styles and protective styles that let your personality shine through. Go ahead, girl, and rock those stunning hairstyles. Remember, whether you are on a journey or just here to learn, it's all about love, care, acceptance, and expressing your fabulous self. Hair is as unique as the person rocking it. So what works for one 4C haired individual might not work the same for another. It's all about finding what works best for you and embracing the fabulousness of your own curves. Alright folks, that's a wrap for our 4C hair introduction. I hope you are feeling more enlightened and inspired to embrace your own beautiful coils. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you love this type of content and think other people will benefit from it, go ahead and share it. Knowledge is power. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video full of hair inspiration, tips, and tutorials. Until next time, baby girl, keep rocking those amazing coils of yours. Mwah.